Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. It's been a minute, but my birthday was on the 5th, so I kind of took the week before my birthday and spent some time with my boys and spent some time on myself and didn't really put my focus on my channel because I wanted to focus on myself for a minute. And I really enjoyed it. I had a great birthday. I just spent time with my husband and my boys, and my husband made me a cake. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw that. So anyways, now that that's put back, we are going to do a Ofra unboxing. So one of the things I bought myself for my birthday was an Ofra mystery box. They came back, I would say on the 1st or the 2nd, I got an email saying that they were back in stock. So I went and grabbed one. I found a 20% off code, so I got the large one that's regular $59 for $47.20. And so I went ahead and picked it up. So we are going to open that. I am so excited. I did peek inside already because I've had it for a few days now, but let's open it. Let's see what we got. I'm really excited. I missed out on probably on the last two. I missed out. The first one I didn't know about it, and the second one I just didn't have the money. So now I have the money, and I treated myself for something. So let's see. This is what it looks like inside, and let's see. Let's pull this out. So there's just a flyer letting you know about a collab of highlighters they have going on. They're very pretty. And then you get a sample that you can plant this and grow some flowers, it looks like. So that's cool. I'll probably do that with my boys. And then this is a peptide complex series foil packet moisturizer. I'll probably use this. Why not? I don't know. Okay, so the first thing I see is the Derma Mineral Loose Powder in White Diamonds. Now, I didn't know what this was, so I did Google it, and it's a loose highlighter. Do you see how white it is, though? I am interested to try it out. I have not opened it or anything, and I'm not going to because I don't know that I'll keep it. Maybe I'll give it to one of you guys. I don't know. The next thing is the Ofra Cosmetics Laboratories. Oh, this is a Got It refill. Banana powder. Okay, so it's just just a pan of banana powder. It's a small one, but I mean, oh, how's it go back in there? That's cool. I've seen a couple of unboxings, and I think I'd seen people getting this, so that's great. What else do we got? This is the Makeup Fixer, a light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long. So this looks like it's a setting spray. This is what the package looks like. Let's see if we can open it up. I didn't open anything. I just kind of opened the box and looked inside of it and said, what is this? And this was right on top. So I was like, what is that? After like day 4, I was like, I gotta know what that is. So let's see here. Ooh, that's a nice mist. Kind of smells like a fresh, clean smell. How to use. Mist onto your face after makeup application to set all day. No time for touch-up. Spray makeup fixer on the face and use tissue to pat dry to refresh makeup. Apply a touch-up of compact powder, smooth complexion, and have a velvety texture that can last all night. So I will definitely get plenty of use out of this. It smells like a clean smell. Okay, this looks like it's a highlighter. Well, this is a highlighter. So let's open it up. I do have one Ofra highlighter that I got in my Ipsy bag. I don't remember what color it is. This is in Beverly Hills. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Oh, that's pretty. And look, it comes with, everybody was talking about these. That is so cute, so it doesn't break. I will keep that inside there. So that's gorgeous. I have some Makeup Revolution highlighter that looks like that, so it's probably a dupe for this one. Oh, what's next? I'm just grabbing in there. This is a Body Derm Coffee Body Scrub. Okay. Everybody loves a body scrub, and as you know, coffee is super, super good for you. I can't read the ingredients because it's so small, but my light's like super bright. That's what it looks like. Let's smell. Oh no. Ooh, it smells like coffee. It looks like doo-doo, but it smells like coffee. Mmm. Oh, that's nice though. Ooh, I can't wait to use that. I will definitely get use out of that. I currently am using a Dove body scrub, so a macadamia nut one. This is another package. So this is an Ofra blush in Bellini. Ooh, I'm gonna swatch that. Ooh, it's so pretty. That's what the can you see that? Let's see. Yeah, that's the color. That's pretty. Oh yes. I don't know if I have a color like that, so I will definitely get used out of that. I don't have a whole lot of Ofra stuff, so that's another reason why I really wanted to do this. Because it gets me some Ofra in my collection. Okay, so here's an eye primer. Here's a lip gloss in the color Baby Doll. I am going to say this. I think these are their old packaging that they're trying to, well, I know that because this is their old packaging. My new highlighters look like this. But how cheap do these look? Don't these kind of look like a little indie brand? Not that I care. I don't care. I support indie brands wholeheartedly. But Ofra's gotten pretty big. So we have a bunch of lip stuff right here. This is a lip liner in the color Baby Doll. So let's get this safety seal off. I'm thinking of Abby and the safety seal. I didn't get it off, dang it. Are you serious? How else? Maybe this end? Let's try a different end. So how has everybody been? You know, I feel like I haven't been here forever because I haven't posted in a week, but I haven't filmed in, oh no, in like 2. So it's been a quick minute. So this is lip liner in Baby Doll. Oh, that's pretty right there. So I'm not a big fan of pencil lip liners, but I will without a doubt wear this. Sorry about that. I had a little guy get up. The next thing I have here is an Ofra lipstick in Miami Fever. Let's try that. I've heard a lot of great things about the Miami, about their, I have one, a metallic, ooh, that smells like a cupcake. So that goes great with the lip pencil. I've heard a lot of great things about their lippies. I have a metallic one, but I don't really like metallic, so I don't actually often wear it. But I follow someone, and this is her favorite. I'm forgetting her name. It's like lost in my head. I don't know why, but that's her favorite lip color by Ofra. Oh, this is Bel Air. Let's try that one. You guys, they are so moussey. Oh, look at that's like, these are great colors. And you know what's great about this? I will wear, these are like my 2 favorite lip colors. And this is I have another color that's similar to this, and I love it. So these are all colors I will without a doubt wear. Okay. Oh, look at this color. Oh, look at those colors, guys. Those are beautiful. This smells so good too. I almost got it on my nose. That would have been bad. Okay, so, and let's see how they dry down. I put the swatches on, and let's see how they dry. And this is the last thing in here, and this is the thing that I need, like, the most. And this is, like, one of the reasons why I got it, because I've been procrastinating. We have a Z palette, yay! So we will take this banana powder right here, and just pop it on in there. Now it has a little home. I don't have one of these yet, and I'm so excited. Through my subscription boxes, I am collecting a lot of loose pans, so I'm excited to get, and this is a great one. Look at how it slides like that. I love it. Okay, I paid $47.20 for everything. I got a Z palette with banana powder, 3 liquid lipsticks, a lip gloss, an eyeshadow primer, a lip pencil, a full-size highlighter, a full-size blush, a huge thing of body scrub, a setting spray, and a loose highlighter. So what do you think? Do you think this was worth $47.20? Did you get one in the past? On the first round, did you get it? The second round? If so, did we get the same things? I'm not really sure, so let me know down in the comments. They do still have the small one, which is $30, and the large ones that are $59. And I will leave the code that I used that worked. I don't know if it's still currently working, but all I did to find a code that worked was Google Ofra affiliate codes, and a bunch popped up, and I put them in. Okay, I have color swatches all over my arms. I don't want you guys to think that's bruises or anything. And I put them in until one of them worked, and Casey was the one that worked for me, CASIE, and so I used that one. And I will leave all that information down below. But if for some reason that code does not work, that's how I found a code that worked. So thank you guys so much, and I'm sorry for being gone, but don't worry, you guys are going to be seeing so much of me because the things are coming in, and I've got a lot to share with you guys. So I will see you all later. Bye!